Today we are going to see about browsers, and this video is specially made for teachers. First, let us take a look at the most widely used browsers. The first one is Chrome by Google. The second one is Edge by Microsoft. The third one is Firefox by Mozilla. And the final one is Safari by Apple. While Chrome, Edge and Firefox are available on all devices, Safari is exclusive to Apple devices. It will be available only on Apple devices. Now let us see the special features of each and every browser. First, Chrome and Edge. Chrome is one of the best browsers but consumes too much of RAM and it will slow down the PC while browsing. It is reliable, but the one reason to avoid Chrome is it will slow down your PC while browsing. The next one, Edge. Edge is built on Chromium engine, so it is like a hybrid version of Chrome and it does not consume too much of RAM and there will be no slowing down of PC while browsing. Also, it has some special features which will enhance your browsing experience. So it is better to use Edge over Chrome, and Edge is better than Chrome in every way. The next one, Firefox and Safari. Firefox, it is a browser that focuses on the user's privacy. It is a very good browser, but it is not as fast as Chrome or Edge. That's the only drawback of Firefox. It's a very good browser, but it is not as fast as Chrome or Edge. Safari, it's available only on Apple devices, a privacy focused browser. It is very easy to use and keeps away annoying ads. Now let us see about search engines. Okay, we will take three of the best search engines. These are the widely used search engines. Google by Google, everyone knows Google. Bing by Microsoft, and DuckDuckGo by DuckDuckGo. Now let us see the special features of each of these search engines. The first one, Google. It is the best and the widely used search engine. Everyone knows Google, and it has also become a verb. It gives the best and the most relevant search results, and that's the reason people prefer Google over all the other search engines, because it gives the most relevant search results. Then Bing. It is almost as powerful as Google. It also gives relevant search results, but not equal to Google. But still, it's very good because it's good at searching images, and it also has some additional features which are not available in Google yet. The final one is DuckDuckGo. It is a search engine solely focusing on the user's privacy. If you are so much concerned about your privacy, online privacy, you should be using DuckDuckGo, and you will be very happy with DuckDuckGo. But you won't be getting any relevant search results like Google or Bing. Now let us see about a browser's homepage. Now let us see some of the basic features of browsers, and we are going to see everything through Microsoft's Edge. Now let's open the browser, and this is Microsoft Edge. Okay, let's maximize it. So first I'll describe the home page. Okay, so here you have a gear icon, or it is called the settings icon. So this settings icon helps you to customize the home page. So if you take, there are four options: focused, it's work driven. Okay, it helps you to focus on the work that you have to do. It won't have any fancy item. Inspirational, it will have a beautiful background image, and this image will be changed each day. Each day you will get a new image, and the links to the most visited websites will be at the bottom. And then if you choose informational, the news that are at the bottom will be brought up. If you choose custom, you can customize your own way. For example, show quick links. Quick links are the shortcuts to the most visited website. If you want, you can turn it on. If you don't want, you can turn it off. And show greetings. Greetings is that 31 degrees Celsius, the one that shows the temperature. If you turn it off, it won't be visible. Or you can just turn it on. And then background. If you don't want any background, if you want just a plain image, okay, a plain solid color, you could turn it off. Okay, and this will help you to load the browser faster. Or if you want to see beautiful images every day, you can click image of the day and it will give you beautiful image every day. Or you can choose your own image. If you have any image, family pic or any other image that you want to have, you can have it. And then the content that is visible, that is the news. Do you want it to be completely visible up till the top, or do you want only the headings? If you click only the headings will be visible at the bottom. And then content visible on scroll. Okay, so only when you scroll the content will come up, otherwise it will be clean. Or you can completely turn it off, nothing will be there, it will be super clean. I prefer it to be content visible on scroll because sometimes, rarely I read news, but sometimes this is really helpful. Okay, and one more thing about the news, you can just personalize your news. You can click this personalize button and you can choose whatever the news that you want. If you don't want anything related to opinion, you can tick it off. Okay, if you don't want politics or world or anything, if you want politics, you can add it. If you don't want world, you can tick it off. Okay, so this is customization. Then if you click my feed, based on your personalization, it will show the news, and there will be some ads too. Okay, so this is the home page of Edge browser, and then this is the search bar. And this is the URL bar. Okay, if you want to search anything, you can either type here or here. This right here gives you access to the web services of Microsoft. It has all the Office apps, and these are the web versions of the Office apps. And these are the keys. These are some keys. This is the key to move backward, and this is the key to move forward. This is to reload a page or to refresh it. This is to come back to the home page wherever you are. And these are set of extensions about which we will see in the upcoming videos, and these two are some special features of Microsoft Edge. And this is a set of functionalities of the browser that you could use if you want to customize. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe.